Bakit walang dollar? Charot.
Pwede rin bonnet, Gorda. Look,
No, kuya.
bonnet siya.
Wow!
And hello! Ay, dito pa lang camera. Hello though peeps! Welcome back to my channel. This is the unboxing of the gift for a special woman in our lives.
Damn!
And this is a Christmas edition. So, excited na ako, but before we start, meron nga akong special guest for this video. And I want to present to you. Ta-da! She's my mom. Say hi, ma. Hi, say hi. Don't peep. I call my subscriber Don't Peep. So, mag-hi ka. Don't Peep.
Hi, Dopit.
Ayun.
Sige na, buksan na natin.
Ano bang bubuksan natin, ma?
Yan.
Ito.
Dali na, tagal-tagal.
Ito yung, this is our gift for our mom this Christmas. Courtesy of everyone, my siblings. Ito talaga, this box arrived like 2 weeks ago, but I intended for her to open the box, her gift, ngayong Christmas Eve, so everybody could see. And then, I wanted to, ma-experience ni Mama yung like, yung mag-unboxing kasi lately, she's been
man.
Come on, do it again.
those YouTubers. This is the camera. YouTubers. Dito ko titingin ma.
Yes.
Okay, YouTubers. So, sabi yung ganun. Maybe it's a good idea to make the video unboxing yung gift niya. So, ready na?
Sige
Okay,
na.
sige na.
Sige
Okay,
na.
sige na. Ito na. Try mo na ikaw.
Okay.
Ano? They say, pag mag-unbox ka is, show them. Dito mo siya. Show them.
Ganyan? Okay. And then, saan ba dito sa gilid? Oh my goodness. Tagal-tagal na to. Diyos ko po. Ang tagal kong hinintay. Mabigat ah.
Bigat.
Tingnan natin kung anong nasa loob. Paano po? Ganun. Pila?
Do it!
Masyado excited eh. Hindi ko na alam kung paano buksan. Sirain na lang yung box. Okay. Ayan na.
Sila po.
Kuya, I thought it's it's red and...
Wait. Okay.
Ah!
First item will be
One by one.
yeah.
Wow! Yes,
Show them.
red. My favorite,
Favorite color.
Isa pa kuya, yung isa pa.
We have one belt for second item. Do the owner.
Ganda. Okay. Again.
Show them.
Dito sa kabila. Oh. Saan ang palit ng kulay kuya?
That is not correct.
No, red yung isa, pure.
Okay.
Okay. This
So?
one is color blue. This one is red. Ito blue.
Another one. Another one. Another one.
Ganda. Thank you.
One, red, and blue.
Okay.
Okay.
Yung isa pa kuya, meron pang isa. Ang bigat pala.
Hmm?
Yung isa pa.
Eh, brother, ay, thank you sa medal ko.
Kunin ko na
First
kuya.
honors. First honors.
Oh my God!
Ito susunod.
Third one.
Ano yan? Kita? Yes? Okay. Go!
Up. Okay. Meron pa eh.
Ayan na.
Surprise.
Ayan na.
Surprise pa rin. Huh? Dust bag. So,
It's
yun.
so
Favorite,
wow.
I think favorite mo yun.
Yeah!
It's
Thank
pouch.
you.
Pouch bag.
Ganda.
Show them what's inside.
Bakit walang dollar? Charot. Walang euro.
Euros. Because we're in Europe.
Okay.
Show them what's inside.
Ganda. Tanggalin mo na yung ano ko yan.
Wait. Have here.
Thank you.
Yep.
Ang ganda lahat.
This
So,
one.
Gucci na naman to.
Remove it.
Yes.
Remove it. Okay. Show mo sa nila yung...
Wow. Is there a number ko yan? Yes. What's this? For you?
I think for me.
Wow! Palit tayo. Okay na rin to.
Okay. This is for ma.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Salamat.
And...
Akin uli yan.
I thought it was just for mom.
Akin yan.
Eh, ako, meron din
Thank
ako
you,
nito.
thank you ate. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, BJ.
Bad
Thank
thing
you.
is,
Thank you
we
so
don't have
much.
anymore the box. But my sister, who works in Monte Napoleones, still have the box. So,
Okay.
mas maganda if you have these leather goods, keep them
so
on the dust bag and then their
Okay na nga yan, isa
boxes.
Kuya. Ang bigat
Kasi
pala nito,
they
grabe.
have this one para you could take care. That's the way of taking care of the leather goods. So that's the serial
Ay,
number.
Kuya, parang malaki.
Oh man.
Malaki.
Excited. Thank you.
Thank you sa lahat ng binigay ninyo. Sana laging Pasko. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you. Thank you, BJ, Kuya Mike, Love, and siyempre Ron.
No.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ayan.
No.
Tatapunan natin siya. Never mind. Pwede rin bonnet, God, ha? Look,
No,
pwede
Kuya.
bonnet siya.
No. Okay, bye-bye.
Here's our mommy Pinty. Pipicturean ka nga. Si Mami Pinty.
Wow, Kuya, niloloko mo
Pinty,
na ako.
51,
Pambihira
52,
ka.
53.
Tama na, ang dami-dami, oh. Kikita ni ano yun, eh.
51, 52, 53.
Gold
54.
medal.
Yan o. Our Olympic.
Gold medal. Thank
He's
you.
our Olympic medalist sa paglilinis and Olympic medalist as a mother.
Oh! Oh my fucking God! Oh my God!
Thanks for watching!